This is the Genesis G70. The Genesis G70 steering wheel provides numerous driver assistance features and audio system controls right at your fingertips. To the very right is the volume switch, which can be scrolled up to increase and scrolled down to decrease the audio volume. Pressing the volume switch in will mute or unmute the audio. To the left is the Seek preset switch, which cycles through preset stations in radio mode and selects track up or down when in media mode. Pressing and holding the switch up or down for 1 second functions as auto seek when in radio mode and forward or reverse when in media mode. The mode button above is to change between the radio and media modes. The voice recognition button can be used for spoken preset commands without having to take your hands off the steering wheel. When connected to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, pressing and holding the voice recognition button can be used for native voice recognition. The Call Answer button also serves as call end, picking up or hanging up a phone call. To the left of it is the Custom button, which can be programmed to provide quick access to your favorite features or functions. To set, press and hold down the Custom button. The infotainment screen should then display all of the functions and features that are available to be programmed. The Driving Assist button in the upper left will activate or deactivate Smart Cruise Control at the current speed. After activation, pressing the Vehicle Distance button will then cycle through 4 different preset distances that your G70 will help maintain to the vehicle in front. To adjust your Smart Cruise Control speed, press this switch up or down immediately to alter speed by 1 mile per hour. Pressing and holding the switch either up or down alters speed in 5 mile per hour increments instead. Pressing the switch in can also temporarily cancel Smart Cruise Control. If you push the switch in again, Smart Cruise Control will resume at the preset speed. By quickly pressing the Lane Driving Assist button on the left side of the wheel, you can turn off or on the Lane Following Assist function. This system can help the driver keep the vehicle centered in the lane by detecting lane markings and other surrounding vehicles. By pressing and holding the Lane Driving Assist button for 3 seconds, you can turn off or on the Lane Keeping Assist function. This system warns the driver if the system detects the vehicle departing the lane. The cluster display modes can be changed by using these 2 buttons on the left side of the wheel. The Cluster Display Mode button allows you to change the cluster view modes between Driving Assist, Turn by Turn, and Utility modes. The scrolling button right below can be used to interact with the various cluster display modes. You can scroll through menus while in Driving Assist or Utility view modes. When in Utility view mode, you can also directly access the Driver Assistance Settings menu and reset select screens by pressing and holding the button in. To select the digital speedometer display, change to Utility View mode and then scroll down until the digital speedometer is displayed in the center of the cluster. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.